Uncle Steve and I are fixing to head out in the Yaks, see what we can do on the flats. Alright, man, we are out of here.
We're gonna get out of the wind. We're gonna find someplace nice. We're gonna get out and do some fishing.
Back in the mangroves. There's the canal. I'm trying to cut back to the main canal.
Getting some water. Taking a break. It's been dirty water and a lot of wind. It's better being out here than it is sitting in the office.
You know, you gotta come prepared. Even, you know, we came out here with light tackle, fly rods, and light spinning, 10-pound test, braid to sight cast on the sandy flats. Came out here, we were blown out. But you know what? Stowed away in the hull of this kayak, bigger spinning tackle, 30-pound braid, plenty of different size hooks and stuff. You gotta be ready for any scenario. We were able to catch some live bait with some small hooks, cut bait. We're out here having a blast. Otherwise, you could have considered a blowout. You could have considered it a total wash. Steve's new yak, the X Factor, got him to this spot.
He's going off right there.
Oh, fish on.
Hey.
Well, the scoop today is we started out wanting a sight cast, but the weather was rough, 17 knot winds. There you go.
Wild, milky, yonder.
So then Steve catches a stingray, right?
My first stingray. That was awesome.
Stingray!
That's my first stingray.
Come on. Steve's Ray! What?
I don't know, this is a good eating.
Yeah. Never could have made it to this remote island if we didn't have a boat. Who needs a boat when you got an eco-friendly green kayak? There we go. Yeah. Once again, folks.
Got caught up on that shell. Whatever.
Big gaff top.
Is that what it is?
Big gaff top guy.
Mr. Whiskers.
That's slime monster right there. You do not want to touch that sucker. You will be slimed. These long tentacles on the whiskers and on the fins of the pectoral. Actually, decent eating fish, but not today. They are slimy to keep. Trolley in action.
GAFFTOP. Come aboard GAFFTOP, the little cow.
Check out these GAFFTOP. We caught these GAFFTOP non-stop. There we go. Fish on. I don't know what I got. Lots. Got 30-pound braid, cut whiting, sitting in the channel. I don't know what it is, but I got something. Maybe it's a shark. Maybe it'll take my ankle off. I've been slime. Went up on the bank, got some small hooks out. Tiny number 6 fly fishing hooks, actually. We caught a bunch of whiting and we cut them up into cut bait. Put them in a hotel cup. Each got each cup full of cut bait. Now we're sitting out here in the channel. Cut bait it is, baby. That's fine with me. Catching stuff, keeping the rods bent right here on 30 miles out. GAFFTOP. What? Cut him off and try this again. Yep. I bet you I got another big old slime bucket. Oh! We're gonna have to move, folks. These GAFFTOPs are killing us over here. Get him, Steve, get him. What is it? last GAFFTOP gave me a parting gift, stuck me right in the back of the pectoral serrated so I can slam it down and cut. A poke is better than a cut. Big gaff. Oh, I got one behind me. Oh yeah, I can see it in the viewfinder. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna move. I'm tired of fighting these suckers. Man, I wish we were in a GAFFTOP tournament. When this goes up, I'm out of here. I'm going a little bit faster than I would be if I were paddling. Cutting at a good clip, you know. Haven't taken the paddle out yet. I can see over this thing. Man, ain't no need to paddle home, that's for sure. I'll tell you what though, out of all the sailing rigs we've tried and used, it's hard to beat the convenience of a good old umbrella. I mean, look at the grass. Cutting at a pretty good clip, got the wind in our backs, headed straight home. Going faster than we could paddle. $7 umbrella. I literally haven't touched my paddle for the last mile since we started heading in. Yeah, lots of wind and it was just nasty.
It was nasty, but it was great.
Hey, thanks for watching 30 Miles Out. Me and this GAFFTOP will see you next time.